হ্যালো ফ্রেন্ডস, ওয়েলকাম ব্যাক টু মাই চ্যানেল আর্লি লার্ন উইথ ডিডি। আর স্ক্রিনটা দেখে তোমরা বুঝতেই পারছো আজকে আমরা কি পড়বো। একদম ঠিক, আজকে আমরা পড়বো টেবিল। তাহলে চলো লেটস স্টার্ট। 1 1s are 1, 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3, 1 4s are 4, 1 5s are 5, 1 6s are 6, 1 7s are 7, 1 8s are 8, 1 9s are 9, 1 10s are 10, 1 11s are 11, 1 12s are 12. Then 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20, 2 11s are 22, 2 12s are 24, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, 3 10s are 30, 3 11s are 33, 3 12s are 36, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, 4 10s are 40, 4 11s are 44, 4 12s are 48, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45, 5 10s are 50, 5 11s are 55, 5 12s are 60. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48, 6 9s are 54, 6 10s are 60, 6 11s are 66, 6 12s are 72, 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42, 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56, 7 9s are 63, 7 10s are 70, 7 11s are 77, 7 12s are 84, 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48, 8 7s are 56, 8 6s are 64, 8 9s are 72, 8 10s are 80, 8 11s are 88, 8 12s are 96, 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 11, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45, 9 6s are 54, 9 7s are 63, 9 8s are 72, 9 9s are 81, 9 10s are 90, 9 11s are 99, 9 12s are 108, 10 1s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 10 3s are 30, 10 4s are 40, 10 5s are 50, 10 6s are 60, 10 7s are 70, 10 8s are 80, 10 9s are 90, 10 10s are 100, 10 11s are 110, 10 12s are 112। তাহলে বন্ধুরা আজকে থাকলো এতটাই। আজকে কিন্তু আমরা একদম 1 থেকে 10 অবধি টেবিল পড়ে নিলাম। তাহলে তোমরা এটা বারবার পড়ো আর মনে করার চেষ্টা করো। আজকে ভিডিওটা এতটুকুই থাকলো, আবার দেখা হবে ঠিক কালকে এই সময়। থ্যাংক ইউ ফর ওয়াচিং, বাই বাই। আর লাইক করতে একদম ভুলো না বন্ধুরা, লাইক করো, সাবস্ক্রাইব করো আর বন্ধুদের সাথে শেয়ার করো। বাই বাই।